Hi everyone, I'm Stacy, and today we're going to read the story A Stone Sat Still, which is written and illustrated by Brendan Wenzel. I love this story for two reasons. The first reason is because it's thought-provoking for children and adults alike. The second reason is because I love stones. I love to collect stones. I love the shapes and colors and sizes and textures that you can find. I hope you'll enjoy this story as much as I do. A Stone Sat Still by Brendan Wenzel. A stone sat still with the water, grass, and dirt, and it was as it was where it was in the world. And the stone was dark, and the stone was bright, and the stone was loud, and the stone was quiet. And it sat where it sat with the water, grass, and dirt, and it was as it was where it was in the world. And the stone was rough, and the stone was smooth, and the stone was green, red, purple, and blue. And the stone was a pebble, and the stone was a hill, and the stone was a feel, and the stone was a smell. And it sat where it sat with the water, grass, and dirt, and it was as it was where it was in the world. And the stone was the wild, and the stone was a home, and the stone was a kitchen, and the stone was a throne, and the stone was a marker, a map, and a maze, a danger, a haven, a story, a stage. And the stone was a blink, and the stone was an age. And the stone was an island, and the stone was a wave. And the stone was a memory. And the stone was always. Have you ever known such a place? Where with water, grass, and dirt, a stone sits still in the world. In our story, the stone was used in many different ways by the animals. How would you use the stone? I'm going to show you some photographs of stones. Maybe you can think of different ways that you might use them. Maybe you can go outside and collect a few stones. I wonder how many different ways you will find to use them. This is a small sample of one of my rock collections. As you can see, they're different shades of gray, and they're smooth. This is how I like to use these. I like to make pictures with them. Can you guess what these are supposed to be? If you guessed sailboats, you're right. I really hope you go out and find some rocks. I bet you can have lots of fun with them.